Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see something interesting. So that is using how to use Logitech Unify in the receiver to connect to different devices. So the thing is, right? Actually, different devices. Hello friends, we have two Logitech receivers, Logitech USB receivers. So the first one I have is called Unifying receiver because you can see this some kind of flower symbol. So using this Logitech Unifying receiver software, when you install that software on your system, as soon as you connect this receiver, so that software will allow you to choose actually using that software you can pair multiple Logitech receivers. I can connect it to keyboard, mouse, whatever Logitech components using the same Logitech Unifying receiver. Okay, but on the other hand, so we have this nano receiver. So this nano receiver we cannot connect actually. Okay, so nano receiver can be used to only like one-to-one device. If you have mouse, you can connect it to. Okay, if you have the mouse, you can connect it to only the mouse. Only this can be paired with only this one. This I just want to show this difference. One more thing, actually all the new Logitech devices comes with this kind of unifying receiver, so you don't need to worry about it. If you are purchasing the latest ones, you'll be having this Logitech unifying receivers. All you need to do is download this software from the Logitech portal, which I already showed in the video, and start using. Okay, so that you can save the ports. Yes, actually sometimes, right, you could be having single this Logitech device, right, and every device it comes with a this kind of the dongle, right? This is the receivers. Okay, and what happens is, right, actually sometimes you get a combo of keyboard and mouse. Okay, and both all together the keyboard and mouse would use a single dongle. Okay, and sometimes what happens over the period of time, maybe for some reason your keyboard would be damaged and mouse could be working. Okay, at the times maybe what you could do is you could go for another Logitech, because if you love Logitech, you will be obviously going for Logitech, right? uh, so the same thing happened to me. I have a combo keyboard. Actually, this is the one. This is the mouse which is got, and but the keyboard for some reason it was not working. Okay, so then what I've done is, I don't want to go for a combo, right? I can go for a single this just a wireless keyboard. So I got this device. Okay, this is a Logitech. This is a Logitech K30. Yeah, K230. Okay, this is Logitech. I get this dongle. Okay, so the problem now, I have to connect both. Okay, so I have to connect both to make it work. Okay, so I have to connect because it both uses different frequency, guys. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so the problem is when you have a laptop or you have desktop. I'm going to demonstrate this thing in the laptop. But when you connect it to the laptop desktop, right, or maybe you'll be shortage of the ports. Okay, the thing is, laptop comes with 2 or 3 ports, but you don't need to connect the ports all the time, right? For example, if you want to make this keyboard and mouse to work, if you want your keyboard and mouse to work, right, you need to connect this port, these dongles, to laptop all the time. Okay, so actually looks like Logitech understand this one, this reason, and they're coming up with a Logitech unifying receiver. So I'm going to demonstrate it right now. Okay, so for that, all you need to connect is only single device. So I'm going to connect this one. Okay, I'm going to demo it now. Okay guys, I just connected it. It's already detected. So I can press Windows keyboard here. Okay, Windows is opening fine. Okay, going to that Google and downloading this Logitech unifying receiver software. So I'm clicking on the first link where you can find download link. So without this software it will not work. So this software is a must, guys. Click on it. Click here. Download now. it's 4 MB. It automatically detects your OS. Okay, so after that, just open the software, accept the agreement, click install. So it will install. Once that is finished, it automatically opens. So here you can click on advanced, and you can see all the list of the connected devices. So you can unpair if you want, and pair it back. The unpair and pair in pair is very easy, guys. You just need to, turn off the device and turn it on. Basically either keyboard or Logitech mouse. So it will just detect, okay, instantly. So here is a demo. So I'm going to show it in my mouse. I'm just sliding on and off. I'm doing it again. It detects my mouse and click OK. That's all, guys. After that, pretty much you can once this is the list is shows right your keyboard and mouse, so you can pretty much use it in any devices. So basically, this Logitech unifying receiver will allow you to connect to up to 6 devices. You can use it for up to 6 devices without need to waste your additional USB ports or buy any kind of additional USB hubs. That way, it's really good. I'm trying it again, unpair and pen pair, but you can try it out to your wish. Okay. So basically, like most of the times when I was trying, it used to work. The only thing when I was trying it's not working is like you're not supposed to connect the two unifying devices. There are dongles. Unifying receivers on the same system. Okay, same desktop or laptop. So at the time you will be having some issues. Other than that, I don't face any issues. Okay. And also like there are some troubleshooting I've done. Finally, I made this mouse back working. I was not sure like what is the problem. Now I really identified the problem, so I just want to share this information with everyone. So the thing is, guys, so basically, so we'll be having a software, right? When you use this Logitech unifying software, when you use this software, so what it happens is, right, basically it will work some kind of radio frequency, right? Mouse will work basically some kind of radio frequencies. Okay, so my mistake what I've done is, so I'm using this keyboard, and this is the receiver for that. Okay, and what I was trying to do is, right, okay, turn on and off this keyboard. Okay, so there is option. Okay, so now it got paired. Okay, and also I'm going to unpair the mouse. Okay, so the mouse got unpaired. Okay, it's not working, so I'm going to pair the new device. Okay, so I just need to slide this mouse, so it got paired now. Okay, so now this is working fine. Okay, so once this got paired, right, this old receiver will not work, guys. Okay, this is for straightforward. To make this receiver to work, so what you need to do is, okay, you need to put it I'm going to show the demo now. Okay, so this is working fine. Okay, with this what I was trying to do is, I'll explain again. So I'm using this keyboard's receiver, okay, to control my I'm using this keyboard's dongle to control this mouse. Okay, so now it's paired. Okay, so I'm going to remove it now. I'm going to use this mouse. This mouse comes with one receiver, right? Okay, so this comes with one receiver, right? I'm going to connect it right now. This is not working, guys. Okay, that's a problem. This is not working. Okay, this is not working. I can do whatever you want, it doesn't work. Okay, now just now I identified, guys. Okay, I use the same software, the same Logitech unifying devices, went to advanced and clicked on this one, and first I removed unpaired. Okay, so I'm clicking on pair device again, then same thing, slide on and off. Okay, that's all, guys. It paired now. So now this is working. For all these days I'm thinking something happened with my mouse, it's not working. I don't know what to do. I was planning to buy a new mouse. That was a mistake, but now I understand the concept. Once you unpair that using a Logitech unifying receiver, right, the old device will not work. Okay, you need to pair it again with your old device again. Okay, your old dongle again. Okay, and it will work. Okay, now my mouse is working perfectly fine, and this is also working fine. For the last time I just want to try this one, but I'm not sure if this would work now. No, guys, it will not work. Okay, it is not working. Okay, it's not working. So to make it work again, I have to do the same step. That's how we can make it work. Actually, this is a one-time activity, guys. Okay, once you pair it right, you can almost connect it to this dongle to any of the devices. Once the pairing is completed in the unifying receiver, you can literally take this mouse and keyboard, and you can connect it to any devices. Okay, any of the laptop or desktop or any Raspberry Pi or anything, it would definitely work fine. There is no issues with it. Okay, thanks for that, guys. This is a really long video. I really appreciate your help. I just want to show all this demonstration to everyone so that it could be helpful for someone. Okay, thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.